Naimbag nga rabii, ken naragsak a Pasko kada tayo amin Ilocos Norte. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong napakasipag na gobernador, si Governor Matthew Marcos Manotok. Palakpakan po natin. Kay Vice Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos, sa lahat ng provincial officials, local government officials, mayors, vice mayors, councilors, sa napaka-init na pagtanggap sa amin, sa DOT at saka sa TIAZA dito sa Ilocos Norte. Nakikisa po kaming lahat sa inyo. Una, kasama ng ating presidente, si President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa layunin na bumangon yung ating ekonomiya sa pamamagitan ng turismo. Pumunta po tayo dito sa Ilocos Norte for the groundbreaking of a tourist rest area in Saud Beach in Pagudpud, which has been declared one of the 25 best beaches in the entire world. Congratulations, Ilocos Norte. We hope that the putting up of the tourist rest area can assist in the provincial government's plans for tourism in your province. We are also one with you in celebrating the hope and the joy that Christmas brings. And as you light up your Christmas tree, I believe that is not only a celebration of Christmas, but also of all the victories that you have had this past few years. First, we have survived and we have thrived amidst the COVID-19 pandemic and the various calamities that have come upon our shores. Second, we have the blessing of our families. Third, we welcome a new era of development for the Philippines under our beloved President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. Galing po ako sa Cebu, sister province ng Ilocos Norte. And so, we have a very deep affection for Ilocos Norte, and this relationship has been long-standing. You can rest assured of the full and unequivocal support of the Department of Tourism for the provincial government of Ilocos Norte, for your local government units, and we join you in celebrating the hope and the joy of the Christmas season. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Maraming salamat po.
Agyaman kami, Secretary